Samsung is gearing up to launch its new Galaxy S26 series, and leaks and rumors are already creating a buzz online. Like previous series, Samsung also plans to release 3 models: the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and the top-of-the-line Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you love smartphones, you might want to get ready because these phones are expected to bring some cool upgrades. Let's take a closer look at what's coming. The Galaxy S26 series will reportedly arrive with several upgrades. These models leak to feature a brand new powerful Qualcomm processor that makes the phone run faster and smoother. The camera is also getting a big upgrade with better sensors, so your photos and videos will look even sharper and clearer. Moreover, the camera is also getting a big upgrade with better sensors, so your photos and videos will look even sharper and clearer. Some new camera sensors for the Galaxy S26 series have already been spotted. You might have heard about a Galaxy S26 Edge or S26 Pro, but here's the update that the Edge is not replacing the Plus model, and the Pro model has been renamed simply to Galaxy S26. So the new lineup will be easier, like the previous, just S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Samsung usually launches its Galaxy S phones in February, but this time the launch might happen a little earlier, around late January 2026. If there are delays, the release could move to March. Aside from this, Samsung's partners are expected to start making important parts like camera sensors by November 2025, and the software for the Ultra model is already being developed. With faster processors, better cameras, smarter AI features, and improved software, the Galaxy S26 series looks set to be one of Samsung's best yet. So, are you ready for the Galaxy S26 series? What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments section.